To send a message to the property manager, log in to the resident member portal and scroll down to the messaging section. Click Send Message from the available options. Type your message in the pop-up window and click the Send icon. Add images or files to the message by clicking the paperclip icon and following the prompts. Close the message pop-up window by clicking the X. Active messages are indicated in red on the message icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Unread messages are also indicated in the overview windows at the top of the home screen. Clicking this window will reveal the unread messages. Use the links below to view additional features available in the Boardwalk Resident Member Portal, powered by Yuhu.